Hello, this is Callens from Cooweb Marketing. Today, we will guide you how to create new email account and also to increase email account storage in cpanel. Open your internet browser. Type in your cpanel address, for example, cpanel.yourdomainname.com. In the cpanel login page, please type in your cpanel username and password. After this, click Login. After login, inside cpanel main page, search for email account and click on it. At the email account page, it will list down all email that you create before. To create new email, click Create. At this page, you enter the username that you wish to create. It will use as your email account username. For the password of your email, you may enter manually. However, it is more advisable to click Generate, and it will create a strong password for you. Password is very important, and common weak password may easily get hacked, which will be dangerous. So, it is advisable to create strong password. Once confirm your password, click Create. Besides, we will guide you how to increase email storage or your email capacity. From this page, click Manage. Scroll down and look for the Allocate storage space. This default is set to 250 megabytes, but you adjust to the storage limit that you wish. For this tutorial, I set it to 100 megabytes. Click Update Email Setting. It is very happy to share with you. And it's end of the tutorial. Don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe, and turn on notification for our Cooweb YouTube channel. Thank you, and goodbye.